Number 2, rectangle P has an area of 72 square inches. If a rectangle with an area of 20 square inches is removed from rectangle P, what is the area in square inches of the resulting figure? We do not have to figure out what the lengths of the sides are for this rectangle. It doesn't matter. So all I know is I have a rectangle and it has 72 square inches. So it's like, you see those little squares that are in the bottom? It's like if you count it out, there would be 72 of them inside this rectangle. And I did not draw it to scale. I actually could. Let's actually, why not? Why not? Let's draw this thing to scale. Let's start right here. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So there is this rectangle that looks a lot like a square, but it is actually a rectangle. It is slightly wider than it is long. And I drew it 9 by 8 so that it would be 72 square inches. And it's saying, and this could be, there's a lot of varieties of rectangle this could be. This could be 2 by 36 inches. You know, there's variety here. It doesn't matter. What matters is that there's 72 square inches. So if I remove 20 square inches, so that'd be like, so if we did 1, 2, 3, 4, actually no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm removing 20 square inches. Those are now gone. What is left? Well, we just have to subtract because we're just taking away those 20 out of this total 72. So we don't have to do anything more complex than that. We just subtract 72 minus 20. That gives us 52. And that is our answer, D. This one, honestly, they're being really nice with the answers. Look at these answers here. They have 92, 84, 80, and then 52. And here it's saying it starts at 72 and a rectangle with an area is removed from it. Inches are removed. Anytime we're removing inches, we're taking away. So the answer would have to be less than 72. Even if you weren't sure, oh, do I need to figure out the area? Do I need to draw this little diagram? I mean, do I need to figure out the lengths of the sides? What do I do? Just by looking at these answers, there's only one answer that is less than 72, where something has been removed from 72. So a lot of times those answers can be helpful and actually give us really big clues as to what the answer is. But that is our answer, D, 52. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.